Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is going to happen in next 48 to 72 hours in your life. What is all is unfolding in upcoming 48 to 72 hours. To see what is upcoming and unfolding in your life in upcoming 42 to 48 to 72 hours. Ace of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. Yeah, I'll explain it to you. Page of Pentacles, Hanged Man. Three of Wands. No, Four of Wands, sorry. Yeah, I hope now we are able to see it much clearly, isn't it? So, Ace of Cups. Yeah, Ace of Cups is like all your emotions, emotional fulfillment. And Ace of Cups is like it's from the universe, isn't it? So, some opportunity is opening up from the universe which gives you emotional fulfillment. So, first find out what all gives you emotional fulfillment, and you will be having a thinking and thought now, okay, all these things gives me emotional fulfillment. One among that thing is opening up, and that opportunity is flooding towards you. That is what Ace of Cups means. So universe is providing you with that. Okay, so that is Ace of Cups, so that opportunity is coming towards you. So be wise enough within the 48 to 72 hours. Something big, which one among your dreams, which will give you ultimate satisfaction and emotional fulfillment, is coming towards you. Okay, next card is Five of Pentacles. This Five of Pentacles, I don't think this Five of Pentacles is isolation actually. No. In this card, in this deck, it's definitely not isolation. In this deck, it is like a mom protecting her child, mom taking her child inside the church for protecting the child. Okay, so it is always like a single mom taking care of the kid, and single mom is separating herself from this society, complete society, along with her kid to protect the kid. So this is all is unfolding within upcoming 48 to 72 hours. So now there is a need for the child to be protected by mom. So always be in watch and ward what's happening to your child. The next card is Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is like she's standing in the shore. See, and her cat is also standing in the shore, and she's pregnant. You can see that she's pregnant, and her shell bowl, like that bowl is like shell. Sorry, that shell is like a bowl, and it has full of water also. So this Queen of Cups is like emotionally fulfilled, and she's pregnant, and she has some of her wishes. So she has come to the beach, like to this port, to ask to make do a ritual and ask to the water god to fulfill her wishes. Okay, so this is what I can see. So in next 48 to 72 hours, I feel like you have a strong wish to be fulfilled. You have a very strong desire which you want to, you are longing to live in reality. And so you are praying or doing some ritual and asking God that I want this, please grant me with this wish. And one more thing what I can see is, Ace of Cups is like emotional fulfillment, and Five of Pentacles is like you saving your kid, single mom. And now I can see is either this is all impregnated with new ideas, business ideas, creativity, and how to do marketing and sales, and this wish could be for you are asking God that I'm launching a new business, so make it flourish, so that I get so much of financial abundance, and that financial abundance makes me like, or gives me emotional security. So for a feminine, whenever there is money in her bank, when the bank balance is good, she always feels emotionally secured. It's not through the guy, she feels emotionally secured. Okay, so like that, for that she's doing ritual. Or it could be she's been a single mom for a long time. Okay, and she is longing for a good companion, and she wants to live a beautiful, that family, cute little family life. She has all her dreams regarding her life partner, romantic lifestyle, what she wants to live as a daily routine, or she has dreams to still have children's, all that. So she is longing for that, and she's asking for that and doing ritual for that and praying to the water god. It could be any of these. Okay, so she could be doing all these rituals for that. So this is what I'm getting seeing these pictures. And I very strongly feel this reading is mainly for feminine, and this reading is for how to tell, single moms, and who has been a single for a very long time, and they have their own dreams to live a family life, even though it's not going to be a family life with that companion. They have all their romantic dreams, they have all their romantic lifestyles, and they've been longing for a very long time, and they want to live that in reality. They want to experience that, they want to enjoy that type of romance and all. And still they have not even seen that companion, they don't even have an idea who that companion is. So now it's like she wants to, at any cost, I want that life. For that only she's doing this ritual. Okay, next card. Page of Pentacles. So Page of Pentacles, what it tells me is, all pages are young and enthusiastic energy, isn't it? So Pentacles is gold coin, stability. So he wants financial stability. So this Page of Pentacles is like always like a research scholar, keeping on digging deeper, digging deeper, digging deeper, and doing research. What is happening to me, like that. So this Page of Pentacles is like, I want to make my passion, only my passion, into career. Okay, so if I make my passion into career, he's doing a survey, he's doing a research work. What unique things could I bring through my passion to the world? How well could I serve deep mankind? Okay, and if I serve also, how well could I earn? What is the scope of the passion? What is scope for my passion? So round the clock, will it give me financial flow? Will it give me financial abundance? All these things he is thinking. Okay, he's thinking, and he is calculating everything. And if it's not going to give the financial flow as he is expecting, okay, he is like thinking about doing research about all those things. So he is starting again from square one. Like, is this my passion? Have I selected it correctly or not? All these things he is completely thinking and deciding upon. So this is all is unfolding within coming next 48 hours to 72 hours. Okay, so now the Hanged Man. So this Hanged Man, what he's doing is he's putting a pass. He's living a daily routine life. Now he's putting a pass to his routine life, and now he is thinking about what to do if my passion is not fetching me money. So now he's coming up with all marketing and sales strategies. Sorry, and tongue slip. And he's coming up with all new creative ideas, how to launch it as a new product, how to pitch the product in the market, and how to come with unique ideas, how to differentiate this product from all the rest of the products in the market. All these things he's putting a pass button to his daily routine like a hangman, and he's thinking about all the ways, and he's focusedly concentrately putting himself on the pedestal, and he's thinking and thinking what to do, like that. Okay, oh my god, like that. So as he's so much focused without any distraction, as he's keeping on thinking without any distraction, he's getting new ideas. Okay, and when he implements that new ideas, okay, he is becoming successful. That is this four of wands. So this is his career success, and he's celebrating, he's calling the whole world and celebrating his career success. And this is also launch of his product. He has invited everybody in the town, and he's celebrating the launching of the product, and at that launching of the product he's pitching the product. Okay, and he is doing all marketing tactics, and he wants to improvise his sales. Okay, so this is what does this four of wands. At the same time he's feeling that all his dreams, and the dream person is like see, first three cards is about the feminine. The next three card is about the masculine. That's what I see. So first three card is like how I see is the feminine is lonely, the feminine is in longing, the feminine is doing all the rituals. Here in the second three card, masculine is career oriented, feminine is emotion oriented, masculine is career oriented. So feminine to fulfill her emotions, to become completely emotionally satisfied, whatever her dream is she wants to live it in reality. Masculine, whatever his dream is, materialistic success, and that gives him emotional fulfillment, so he is doing his part. So he is like celebrating, and he is doing all the research work, doing survey, everything, and for his success he is marching forward step by step. So how I see is this masculine is on the one side and this feminine is on the other side. So in the world they both are there on either side and doing and playing their own part. So once she is also becoming successful, when she feels whole and complete, when she's not in that lack energy, and here also when the masculine feels I'm well accomplished, now I feel emotionally secured, and now I feel whole and complete. So that time maybe this feminine and masculine can happen to meet. Okay, so that is what I'm getting from these cards. Okay, so let us see still what universe wants to tell us, what is all is unfolding next 48 to 72 hours. Magician, 10 of cups, wow. Magician, 10 of cups, 3 of pentacles, good. Judgment, 2 of pentacles, Okay, what I feel with magician is you both are manifesting, both masculine and feminine, both of you are manifesting. See, both masculine and feminine, you both are manifesting to be united. Okay, and you both are manifesting in your own ways, both love life as well as career, love life as well as career. And this, you living for your own fulfillment, you living as your own whole and complete version. Okay, you living as your whole and complete version, that itself makes you, this whole universe itself makes you to meet up. This is your destiny. So you are manifesting each other, because for the feminine, she's doing rituals for her longings, and one among her dreams is the masculine. For the masculine, he's becoming a well accomplished man, and he's becoming completely ready to live a family life with complete luxury and comfort, convenience. For what? To provide for his feminine. So he is also becoming ready to manifest his feminine. So they both are manifesting each other. And what is the ultimate goal of manifesting each other? They both want to live a happy, satisfied, emotionally fulfilling family life. Okay, so this is all the 10 cups filled happy rainbow family and happy couple. And they want their inner child also to be completely free, and they want kids also, cute little kids. They want to live as a very, very freedomful, happy, two individuals as well as a happy family. Okay, so this is what is there it is there in their mind. So to live this and experience this in reality, they are manifesting each other, and they're getting ready also for each other. This is all is unfolding within next 48 to 72 hours. Okay, so this is three of pentacles. This three of pentacles is like how I feel in this card. Usually in Rider White deck, three of pentacles is like student master, and the student learning everything from the bishop and the church father, isn't it like that? And clear vision deck, three of pentacles is like you getting clarity, isn't it? So you, with you divine masculine, you know him as energy, the divine complement who is within your heart space. You know that person is energy, but in reality you do not know whom it is, so you keep on searching for that physical form. But here in this deck, three of pentacles is like, it's like all about mindset. What is the solid decision you are going to take? That is what it speaks, three of pentacles. So it is all about like traffic signal, ready set go. So are you ready to go move on? So now to manifest, and you are dreaming about this dream life, you want to live that in reality. Are you ready to take action for that? Are you ready to march forward in that? So this is the three of pentacles. So you will take decision, you will make plans, you will have a frame structure sketched mentally in your mind to march forward that plan, to execute that plan in reality. So you're getting ready for all these things. That is three of pentacles. Okay, next is the judgment. So this judgment card, what it tells me is you do your job. Okay, so whatever it is, you know your dreams, you know what makes you happy, you are making a mental framework. And the judgment, this is all has been already written in your soul contract, already been decided. Okay, so don't bother, what is meant for you will come to you. But you do what is your work. What is your work? Taking action and marching forward. So keep marching forward, and what universe has to help you, what universe has to give you, universe will give you. So you along with the universe can co-create whatever is your dream. So this is what judgment tells. So don't step back, be genuine to yourselves, be very honest to yourselves, stand for your own dreams, and ask the universe, be very genuine to the universe, ask the universe, and keep communicating with the universe. Tell, this is what I want, this is what I want, and co-create your deep desires, your dreams, and make them come true, experience them and enjoy them. Okay, then even though you are You have your daily routine, you have your manifestation routine also. Learn to balance between both. When you balance, you learn to stand in the middle and stand your ground, be stabilized. If you itself not stabilized means you cannot manifest both, you cannot handle both, you cannot balance both. You will become like shaky. Okay, when your ground becomes shaky, obviously whatever you want to manifest, you want to live as a daily routine in day-to-day basis, that also will become shaky. So always stand your ground, stabilize yourselves, center yourselves, learn to be in that balance. Whatever duality you have within yourselves, learn to balance that duality. So you are learning, okay, anyhow you learn, universe will make you learn. That is all is happening within this 48 to 72 hours. Now let us see. I want to see, like, when and where are these two meeting up, and how is this meeting going to unfold. Masculine is very passionate about his how to tell, career, becoming well accomplished man, because he wants to be a good provider for his feminine. So that way I'm happy. And feminine is also like, at any cost I want my masculine. That is why she's doing all these rituals, isn't it? So let me see where they are meeting up, how they are meeting up. This reading is quite interesting. Hill station. So might be you're going for some tour or travels, so you happen to meet at a hill station. Winter season, yeah, hill station will be chilly only, na. January, so January month has some uh, importance in your life. So take care that something significant can happen in January. Even January is somewhat wintry only now, windy, cold, chill, some hill station. As of now in Tamil Nadu, I know Ooty, Kodaikanal only is hill station, Kunnur, um, what is that, Aircard. Now I know in Kerala, Kantalur is also hill station. Like that, there are so many hill stations where you go for vacations and all. I don't know which hill station you are going to meet. See, there is a farmhouse. There is single stay. You can see only the stay is there in that hill station. You can see only that house is there in that hill station. Might be so there is no other stay. You happen to meet together. You happen to stay within that campus itself, and so you happen to meet with each other, and then you happen to meet in the winter. Might be New Year. You'll go home, you are celebrating Pongal and all, or you are celebrating some function, New Year function. So that time you both call each other, wish each other. Your rapport could develop like that. So the masculine and feminine is meeting like that. It's completely winter. See, it's full of snowfall. So somebody from north also could come down to south, and a person from south itself would have gone to a hill station. So this north person also would have gone to a hill station. This is all is my made up stories, just I'm telling. So they both can meet up in hill station in a winter season. After that they both can go on their separate ways, and after that for some functions, even New Year is a celebration, so for New Year they can call. Now itself is June, July, na? So upcoming New Year they both can call each other, talk to each other. Until that there is lot of time, but they may even happen to meet again. So this is what I'm getting. So let me see, what is this earthly masculine's message to his feminine. Sorry. I know I messed up everything. Yes, I am wrong. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. All I think about is giving all my love to you and cuddle you within my arms warmth. Oh my god, so passionate people, yeah. Both are having lots of longings. So the F3 masculine is giving replay for all the feminine's longings. So see, even this card is like that. I want to marry you and live in physical togetherness always, and want to have baby and become a small cute family. That is what came now, 10 of cups. So both have the dreams. Yeah, let me see still more what masculine wants to tell this feminine. I'm ready to, you're able to see, yeah. I'm ready to pursue my dreams. I'm taking action towards my dreams to make them come true. You are one among my dreams. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is what he is doing. Na Page of Pentacles. He was thinking about all his passion. He's working upon all his passion. He wants to make all his passions come true. So that is what has come in the cards also. So this is what is panning out in upcoming 48 to 72 hours. So let us see how the masculine and feminine span out, because both of them are getting ready to manifest each other. Okay, guys, let us see in some other interesting reading like this. Until then, bye.